Ayan guys. Daming laman ng bag ni Malik. Tingnan natin. Oh! Ito ang bag niya. Open your bag.
Can you open this one?
Ayun,
Can you open this?
Remove first from your bag. One by one. From where this one, no? Tell me. 1 minute. This one from where?
From Hamza.
From Hamza. This one from you?
Yes. See? A ducky. I will open all these gifts. All.
Okay, then open.
I open it first.
All this one candy. No, don't open na. Leave it.
No, I'll check if these.
All it's candy.
I see something inside.
Ay, nalang.
Like wool inside or something else.
Wow, too much. Yan, tama video
I can
mo
see
para
something na wool.
sa 2025.
I can see wool.
Why, ano?
Uy, nice yan.
Nung nakaraan, wala siyang mga ganyan kasi nga wala man...
Wala. Kasi
hindi siya nag-school. Hindi.
Wala rin talaga fight yan. Wala mo siya din nag-celebrate.
Nung nakaraan.
I have a ball.
See?
Ngayon lang uli, kaya ngayon lahat halos.
But it's not a jelly.
Last time hindi, kasi gawa nga nung madaming namatay.
Tapos hindi din siya kasi nag-school pa noon eh. Kaya wala siyang...
At least nakakatawa na experience.
may mga games nandun pala. Pwede
I have
din.
this also, but there's one.
Katuwa, no?
Yeah, which
Wala
next?
mga hindi.
Now is this one. This next.
No, didn't open up. All same candy. Yala, remove na from bag. Finish?
No, I think I have this one I don't like.
Just put there. Ayan pa.
Oo, marami.
Same.
Why it's same? Why it's more? Why it's same? No more na?
No, different. No more. Still, I have more.
Oo nga, dami.
No more finish?
Two.
Why two for you? That is a you to eh. Why you did not give to your friend?
I have 15 friends. Only 15.
Kunti lang sila
No,
pala.
now I will open this
Kaya yun
one.
yung sabi. No, don't open na gani because that it's from you.
From candy? Yeah, then I will put it in.
No more na? Finish now from your bag?
I think I like this.
Finish now from your bag?
That's it.
Uy. Finish now from your bag?
But can you open this? I want to eat it. This one.